This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Lorraine Epperson. Very private location with back patio and open views of the great outdoor space that this unit offers. The main level has an open floor plan with living room, kitchen and dining, 2-bedroom and 2 baths. The finished lower level has a large family/rec room. Another large room that could be an extra bedroom or den, laundry and half bath. For more information, review the details below or contact Lorraine Epperson at 309-833-4577.